Guys, I just woke up and welcome to another day in the life. This is episode, I don't even know episode what. I didn't film the whole of last week. Just got back to filming and it's a Tuesday today. So yeah, I'm gonna be posting for the rest of the week, probably trade recaps mostly, but this is probably the only day in the life video that I'll actually film today. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna get trades in, but let's see how it goes. It's currently 6:30 right now, and I'm going for a run, and then after a run, come back, take a shower, eat, and then I'll start working pretty much. So yeah, I'll update you guys on what I'm doing next. Peace. I just got back from the run now, and it's time to take a shower. It's cold out there, man. It's cold. But it's time to take a shower now. And then after the shower, just gonna eat, do my bed, and then get to work, yeah. I'm in the kitchen now. I've made some food. It's looking pretty good. So now after eating, I'm just gonna make some coffee, get some water, and get to work. And today I'm working right there, right in the kitchen, because I don't like working up there anymore, because people just enter my house and I don't even hear them when they enter because I have headphones on and all that stuff. But yeah, so I'm changing up my workspace. All right, yeah, so I'm still eating. I haven't finished eating. This is like the last bit of food that I'm gonna have before I actually start working on my trading thing. And I just wanted to speak about trading in general, because trading is pretty extreme, you know. Like, trading is the one thing that will break you. Like not the only thing that will break you, but trading is a very emotional game. Like, if you're not strong emotionally, you actually break into pieces, like mentally, which is crazy because, you know, trading is not an immediate return environment. You have to give so much into trading before you can take out anything. And people are so used to giving out and getting a return within a day's time or a week's time or a month's time. But trading is more of a long-term game. You have to be willing to sit basically in losses for about 2-3 years, counting, depending on, you know, your discipline and all that, how you are emotionally, and all that, like your psychology, because psychology is a big thing. Learning how to trade, learning the skill, it's quite easier than actually using the skill, because when you're using the skill, that's when the psychology comes in. And since this game relies on manipulation and all that, that's where you get played out, because you come in thinking you all cool and stuff, but then the markets will show you. If you thought you were disciplined in real life, the markets will tell you if you are disciplined or not. They'll tell you, they basically reflect your life. They reflect your life, like what you're doing. Like, trading is a lifestyle. Like, what you do outside of trading also matters when you come into trading, because let's say you drink on a Sunday, but on a Monday you have to get to work, you have to get to trading, and then you come in with a foggy mindset, like you're just a bit off. That's not gonna work out for you well in trading, because trading, you need a very clear mind when you come into trading. Like, I stopped drinking, I don't drink anymore, and I don't smoke anymore. And people do ask me to drink and smoke and all that. Like, nowadays, I'm like, nah, my boy. Like, I haven't been harsh about it, but I've just been saying no. But like, I'm not gonna risk my whole life, because this is where my whole life is. This is where I'm actually looking to work and make a whole lot of guap from. And you're gonna come in and say drink, it's just one weekend, it's just one drink. It's not just one drink. It goes a long way. It goes a long way more than just one drink. Because when I get into trading and I'm about to break a rule and I just say it's just one rule break, and then I repeat that, and then it becomes a habit. And you know, habits are very hard to kill. Habits are very are die hard. It's very hard to kill habits, because you're basically changing your paradigms that you've been creating, and changing, pretty much reconnecting dots in your brain and all that you've created previously in a long-term process, you know. So you might as well just not do it, and then keep on not doing it, and then get used to not doing it. Then that creates discipline, I guess, which creates habits, and then you get used to doing what you don't like. Even though every single day you might be tempted to break the rules, but you get used to not breaking the rules, because it's just the way you operate, and you know it actually works out for you. So yeah, just a little trading break, man. Let me eat out this cereal from Zimbabwe, my boy. I just got finished with my analysis now, and I'm pretty much ready for my day. So now I'm just gonna be patiently waiting to see if I get any trade setups. I'm currently looking for sales on gold, and then on GU, I'm still waiting for price to clearly tell me what it wants to do. So I could sell from here, but it's just not the best spot, because price is coming off of demand. And then on on EU, I'm just waiting for a bit more. I'm just waiting for price to give me a bit more before I can make a decision if I'm gonna take a trade on it or not. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. So yeah, I'm done for the day. It's around 12:15 right now, and I took my 2 trades already, and I'm out for the day. So yeah, so I'm just gonna continue planning out my things, because I'm currently rewriting down my strategy. Well, not the whole strategy, but just the entry points, the entry strategy, exit strategy, as well as the risk management, like how many trades I'm gonna be taking per day. And so yeah, for today I got 1 loss and 1 win, and price is still dropping. That's crazy. Look at how much price is still dropping by. Yeah, but I'm out for the day already. So my TP got hit, and my stop loss got hit also in the morning. So that's it for me. I'm out. I'm just gonna keep working on my strategy as well, and then see where the day takes me. But like, I still have to read and all that stuff, and then yeah, I got some other stuff to do. So let's see how it goes. The day ended quite early, like quite early today. Getting onto the trade recap now, and it's currently 6:30 right now. So my day is already out, so I'm just gonna film out the trade recap and show you the 2 trades that I took on GU. So getting onto the trade, on the daily, there isn't much for me to do, because it's just a candle that's shown to me, and I can base everything off of a candle. So I dropped down to my 4-hour time frame. On my 4-hour time frame, after the liquidity sweep that we had yesterday, price did pull back into supply, swept liquidity. So we're obviously looking to see price start targeting downwards, but price can also just still push up, as price was also in demand right here, and 4H demand. So I wasn't very sure of the bias that I had off of the 4H time frame. So then I dropped down to my M15, where I was looking to build this bias strongly. So then I planned out how the structure over here was looking on a much clearer, in a much clearer way that I can understand and actually plan out a trade that I want to take. But in the morning, I was very neutral. I was just waiting for price to give me an actual bias, an actual direction of where it wanted to go. And I even had that in my plan right here. I was just waiting to see what price wanted to do. So then after a while, price broke below down here when I was already done with my bias, reading the market's analysis and everything. And over here, it looked like price had swept liquidity to the upside and then pushed lower. And I was looking to see price hold out with this structure, mitigate here, and then continue going lower. So then price mitigated demand. And from here, I don't usually like to take trades when price is coming off of demand or supply, just any zone, because price might have enough momentum to go take out liquidity upside before it pushes downwards, or vice versa. So since I had my bias here, I planned out my trade, and then I set an order right here and waited for price to actually fill in this order. And I had this high as the liquidity that could be swept from my entry. But here, after some time, I realized the price is actually just weakening below here, and this high was most likely to go. But I still set my order because I believed in my plan, and of course, losses do exist. So letting price play out. As you can see, I took a loss right here. Price went straight to my, why is TradingView acting weird? Price went straight to my stop loss, but that didn't switch my bias. That wasn't good enough to switch my bias to be bullish. I was still very bearish. And then I generated this trade, of course. And then looking at price, I realized price that actually came to sweep liquidity up here. We mitigated this 1 hour zone, 1 hour supply, and also refining it. There was also M15 supply within it. And then after this, price turned around and I realized it was just a liquidity sweep. So I was now looking to re-enter my trade. So I re-entered a trade right here. Just as soon as price failed to hold out here, hold out to go into the upside, I entered my trade around here, put my stop loss just at the high. Wait, yeah, around there, that's when I took a trade. Then I put my stop loss at this high. I wasn't expecting price to exceed that high. Then I targeted all the way down here for about a 3 hour. And then obviously I let the trade play out. And price went straight to my TP. And price actually went even further down, all the way to down here, but that's none of my business when my trade is already filled in and filled out. So yeah, so then price did give me enough for me to build a bearish bias, as I had the bearish structure over here, where I had bullish structure over here, and then price came in and switched bearish. So I was looking to see price hold out with this structure and play to the downside, which is what happened. So today it was pretty much a plus 2 hour day. Took a loss around here. Why is TradingView acting weird? Why is TradingView just acting weird? But yeah, never mind that. That was pretty much my day, and thank you for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe and stay in tune for more videos. And yeah, I'm still working on my entry, surprisingly, because I just realized something today. But let me stick to what I have right now and then let price do what it's going to do. But thank you for watching the video. Please do like, subscribe, and comment, and do share to anyone you think might find this video interesting. Peace out.